friends, I am Professor Dr. Beena Diwan, Director Faculty of Law and Governance from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. How are you students? I hope all of you are safe. Stay healthy, stay safe, मास्क लगा के रहिए. Okay? So shall we start our today's session? Arbitration Awards. Write down Arbitration Award. An arbitration award, I mean arbitral award, is a determination of the merits by an arbitration tribunal in an arbitration. And it's analogous to a judgment in a court or law. It is referred to an award, award, even where all the claims fail, or the award is of a non-monetary nature. Is it clear? The tribunal may order the payment of a sum of money. I mean, arbitration awards are characteristically an award of damages against a party. Tribunals have a range of remedies that can form a part of the award. The tribunal may order the payment of a sum of money, conventional damages. The tribunal may make a declaration as to any matter to be determined in the proceedings. In most jurisdictions, the tribunal has the same power as a court. Order a party to do or refrain from doing something, to order specific performance of a contract, to order the rectification, setting aside or cancellation of a deed or other document. Enforcement of arbitration award. Arbitration is particularly popular as a means of dispute resolution in the commercial sphere. One of the reasons for doing so is that in international trade, it is often easier to enforce an arbitration award in a foreign country than it is to enforce a judgment of the court. Under the New York Convention 1958, an award issued in a contracting state can generally be freely enforced in any other contracting state, only subject to certain limited defenses. कौन से defenses? A party to the arbitration agreement was, under the law applicable to him, under some incapacity, or the arbitration agreement was not valid under its governing law. A party was not given proper notice of the appointment of the arbitrator or of the arbitration proceedings, or was otherwise unable to present its case. The award deals with an issue not contemplated by or not falling within the terms of the submission to arbitration, or contains matter beyond the scope of the arbitration, which can be separated from those matters not be submitted. The composition of the arbitral authority was not in accordance with the agreement of the parties, or failing such agreement with the law of the place but the hearing took place. The award has not yet become binding upon the party or has been set aside or suspended by a competent authority, either in the country where the arbitration took place or pursuant to the law of the arbitration agreement. The subject matter of the award was not capable of resolution by arbitration, or enforcement would be contrary to public policy. Virtually every significant commercial country in the world is party to the convention, but relatively few countries have a comprehensive network for cross-border enforcement of judgment of the court. In many countries, particularly in emerging markets, a foreign arbitration award is such easier to enforce than an award of the court. For example, it is very difficult to enforce foreign judgment in the former CLS countries, but it is considerably easier to enforce awards of an arbitration tribunal. The other characteristics of cross-border enforcement of an arbitration award that makes them appealing to commercial parties is that they are not limited to awards of damages, whereas in most countries only monetary judgments are enforceable in the cross-border context. No such restrictions are imposed on arbitration award, and so it is theoretically possible to obtain an injunction or an order for specific performance in an arbitration proceedings, which could then be enforced to another New Convention contracting state. In judicial proceedings, in many countries, government enjoys sovereign immunity from suit. However, governments can submit to arbitration, and certain international conventions exist to relation to enforcement of award against nation states. समझ में आ रहा है? यहाँ तक किसी को कोई प्रकार की प्रॉब्लम बताइए. So, arbitration award is a determination on the merits by an arbitration tribunal in arbitration, and is analogous to the judgment in the court of law. Arbitration is particularly means of dispute resolution in the commercial sphere, one of the reason for doing so that in international trade it is often easier to enforce a foreign arbiter award than to enforce a judgment of the court. The closing decade of the 20th century, arbitration gained worldwide acceptance as the normal means of resolving commercial disputes. National laws on the arbitration had been modernized on all continents. The Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 is one such step by India to make the arbitration law more responsive to contemporary requirements, taking into account the modern law and rules adopted by the United Nations Commission on International Trade Law. International treaties on the arbitration have been signed or adhered to impressive success with the gradual removal of political and trade barriers and the rapid globalization of the world economy. New challenges have been created for arbitration institutions in response to the growing demand of parties for certainty and predictability, greater rapidity and flexibility, as well as maturity and efficiency in the resolution of disputes. Arbitration is a legal process which takes place outside the courts but still result in a final and legally binding decisions similar to a court judgment. Arbitration is a flexible method of dispute resolution which can give a quick, inexpensive, confidential, fair and final solution to a dispute. It involves the determination of the dispute by one or more independent third party rather than by a court. The third parties, called arbitrators, are appointed by or on behalf of the parties in dispute. The arbitration is conducted in accordance with the terms of the parties. Arbitration agreement, which is usually formed on the provision of a commercial contract between the parties. For an arbitration to take place, the disputing party must agree to take their dispute to arbitration. In practice, this agreement is often made before the dispute arises and it is included as a clause in their commercial contract. In signing a contract with an arbitration clause, the parties are agreeing that their dispute will not be heard by a court, by a private individual or a panel of several private individuals. If parties have agreed to arbitration, they will generally have to go arbitration rather than the court, as the courts will normally refuse to hear the case, may by staying it to force the reluctant party to honor their agreement to arbitrate. International recognition of arbitral awards. Arbitral awards enjoy much greater international recognition. The judgment of national courts. About 120 countries have signed in 1958 United Nations Convention on the recognition and enforcement of foreign arbitral awards, known as the New Convention. The convention facilitates enforcement of awards in all contracting states. There are several other multilateral and bilateral arbitration conventions that they will also help enforcement. कोई दिक्कत यहाँ तक किसी को भी बताइए? The topic is completed. If you have any doubt, you can ask. I will tell you some questions which is beneficiary for the examination purpose. Write down in your notebooks. Question number 1. Write the short note on arbitration award. Question number second. What is an arbitration award? What do you mean by arbitral award? What can an arbitration award? What is arbitral award in India? What is the meaning of arbitral? So many questions regarding this topic. Thank you so much.